Want to see exactly who's subscribing to your YouTube channel? I'll show you how to find your complete subscriber list using your web browser in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to youtube.com. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want to check subscribers. Once you're on YouTube, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select YouTube Studio. Inside YouTube Studio, you'll land on the dashboard by default. This is your channel's control center where you manage all your content and analytics. Scroll down until you see Recent Subscribers card. This shows a quick preview of your latest subscribers. To see your complete subscriber list, click See All button on the subscribers card. This will open a pop-up window with your full subscriber list. By default, YouTube displays 10 subscribers per page. You'll see their profile pictures, channel names, and when they subscribe. At the bottom, you'll find navigation buttons to browse through your subscribers. Click on the drop-down menu and you can choose to display 10, 30, or 50 subscribers per page. Select 50 to see the maximum number of subscribers on a single page. This makes it much easier to browse through your subscriber list without constantly clicking Next. You can click Next to view additional subscribers or Previous to go back through pages you've already viewed. Now here's a really useful feature. You can filter subscribers by specific time periods. At the top of the page, click on the Time Filter drop-down. You'll see these options. Last 7 days, see who subscribed this week. Last 28 days, your monthly subscriber growth. Last 90 days, track quarterly performance. Last 365 days, review your annual growth. Lifetime, your complete subscriber history. So, select any time period to see exactly who subscribed during that range. And that's it! You now know how to view your complete YouTube subscriber list, customize the display, and filter by specific time periods. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.